Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the watch is dry and unlocked so contact points are clear. Attach the magnetic puck to the back, align the center sensor. It snaps into place. Once the charger is plugged into a 5V/1A USB outlet, make sure you see the green lightning bolt icon appear on the screen. This verifies power delivery. Why it matters is simple. Solid magnetic contact ensures stable charging current and prevents slow or interrupted charge cycles. Once the charger is attached, place the watch on a flat surface to avoid movement breaking contact. You should watch the percentage rise steadily. Short jumps mean normal top-off behavior, while stalling suggests contact or adapter issues. Make sure to close power-hungry apps and avoid running watch OS updates now, because background tasks can slow charging. If you need faster charge, use a higher watt USB adapter that the charger supports. This reduces total time without risking battery. When the watch hits 100% or the level you need, detach the charger. Frequent full cycles aren't necessary, so partial top-ups are fine. If the green lightning bolt never appears, restart the watch and reconnect the charger. This often clears temporary software glitches. If problems persist, clean both the watch back and charger magnet with a soft, dry cloth to remove oils or debris. Make sure the adapter and cable are certified, because damaged or uncertified gear is the most common hardware cause of slow or failed charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.